Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do another swipe, and it's going to be a swipe using the two swipe colors, my normal black with a little bit of silicone in, and Amsterdam just mixed with water. So come along and let's create a beautiful swipe today. Come and join me. Okay, so here I've got my two black paints. I don't know where you are. There. So this is my Amsterdam just mixed with water. Seems about right. And then this is my normal black paint with silicone in. And I'm just going to combine the two. I didn't put a lot of this in, so I better get all of it out. And here comes the sun. So it's summertime now, and you know, obviously everybody loves summer and some heat and some sun. Now, being in Ireland, it does rain a lot, it is overcast a lot. It's also very windy here, like almost every day there's wind. You know, this is all normal, so you don't expect anything different. But in summertime, of course, the bees come out, and this time of year now, the wasps come out, and oh my goodness, they are such a pain, you know. And I don't have many fears in life, like for instance, my mother's arachnophobic. I mean, she'll see a spider the size of a pinhead, she'll see it 100 meters away, and she'll get sweaty hands, and you know, that's how scared she is of spiders. Now, I'm not like that with spiders. I don't want them on me, but you know, they don't bother me too much. But my fear in life are bees and wasps. I am petrified of them. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but very scared of them. And of course now this time of the year they are out in full force. I wonder, I'm just going to water this down a little. And yesterday morning when I came to my caravan to do the painting, there was only one funny, I don't even know what it was. It wasn't a bee and it wasn't a wasp. It could have been a horsefly or something like that. I actually don't know, but it was flying right at the door of the caravan, so I couldn't come in here. And I had to go and call my husband to come and open the caravan door for me, and I basically just, you know, took a run for it. And I came in, and now this morning, now when I came here to do the painting this morning, there must have been about 5 things flying around outside the door of the caravan. And I was like, no, that's not going to work for me. So again, my husband had to come and open the door for the caravan for me, hold it open for me, so that I could just run in. And then he quickly closed the door behind me. But now, of course, I'm stuck in here. So so when I'm finished with today's painting, he's going to have to come and fetch me and save me. Oh goodness. So right, there are my two black paints mixed. I've got a round canvas on my spinner. I don't know what you can see. You at the moment you're just listening to me talking about things. Okay, let me put some gloves on, and then we'll get started. Yeah, so bees and wasps, and I'm not allergic. I mean, I swell up. I've never been stung by a wasp. I got stung by bees before in my life, and I do swell up, but I mean, I wouldn't say I'm allergic to them, you know. I don't know why I'm scared of them. It's just one of those things. Okay, let's put some paint down. I'm going to start with this. This is the PBO metallic green yellow. I don't actually know what color it is, but it's a very pretty color. I love this metallic-y paint. And then into that, I'm going to put some normal yellow. That. And then on top of that, I think I'll put some, there's not much of this. Come on. Might as well finish it. Okay, put that there so I can fill it up. And then put a touch of this dark pink. And then let's see what else. Some neon pink. And some of this green. Not much because there's already a lot of that other green. We'll put some of this blue. And where is my silver? I'll put a little bit of silver down. Yeah, that's nice. So the metallic silver and the metallic green. So there's two metallics in there. And last color, I'll just put some of this neon orange. Okay, let us swipe. I'm going to bring you down like that so you can get a nice view, and then take that out, get my swipe tool. I'm sorry, I'm not very organized this morning. And get some paper towel. There. Okay, let's start. Just gonna put that way. And swipe. Now when I swipe, I just put the paint on the canvas because you need, you know, paint around the sides when you start tilting it or spinning it. Again, if you don't have a spinner, you can just tilt it. The spinner that I'm using, it's not one of those expensive metal cake spinners. It's a cake spinner, but it was a plastic one, and I bought it off Amazon, and it wasn't expensive, and it works wonderfully. Nothing wrong with it. So yeah, it makes it easier to you know, makes it easier to spin it than to tilt it, but you can do either way. And we're going to keep swiping. Goodness, I can actually hear the buzzing outside this caravan. Oh my goodness. My husband could very easily just leave me in here now, knowing I can't get out. I shouldn't tell him that. Give him ideas, wouldn't I? So I'm just covering the canvas now. You know, all of this is going to spread out now, and So it doesn't matter, all this around the edges is anyway going to come off when I start spinning it. So just like that, just to cover it. That's fine. Okay. And now, because there's silicone in the one of the swipe paints has the silicone in, I'm now going to hit this with a heat gun, which, as we know, brings out the heat, brings up cells. So let's do that quick. There we go. So a lot of little cells have opened up. Now, you'll see there are spots on here that are just black and no cells have popped through. Don't worry about that. You will see now once we spin this out, it's fine. Absolutely fine. So I'm going to bring you up now. And now we're going to spin this out. Okay, and then we'll just take it down to that side first and spin. And it's already over. And now we just bring the paint down to the other side. And you see how everything is just opening up? That's why I said these black spaces in between, it's actually very pretty. And like that, and spin it out. It's almost over, just got a little bit more. Okay, it's over. Wow, look at the colors. That is very pretty. Okay, so now just go around, and if you see spots on your canvas that don't have any paint on the sides, you just pick up paint off the table or off your spinner or wherever, and you just dab it on. Oh, just one spot. Cool. There we go. Look at that. I can see a lot of that green and I can see silver. So it's difficult to see when it's still wet, but when this dries, there's going to be a lot of metallic on here. Oh, I like it. I'm very happy with that. So there we go. I am going to I'm going to take the painting off the spinner, put it on some cups or something, and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. Look at that. It is very pretty. It's now in the sun, so I hope you can actually see all the bright colors in it. Lovely cells. Look at those, look at that, how bright it is. And I love it. I absolutely love these swipes. And I mean, you saw me do it. It took a couple of minutes to do. So super simple. And look at the beautiful, beautiful results you get. I love these swipes. I'm addicted to them. I just love doing them. Very, very cool. Very, very pretty. Look at the colouring in there. I love these. Really, really do. Love it. So there we go. There's yesterday's painting. Looking gorgeous. It's not 100% dry yet because I only did it yesterday. But there you can see the gold. It's in the sun, so it's drying quickly. It'll be dry by tomorrow, I'm sure. So lots of gold all shimmering in it. Very pretty. And then today's, yay! I love it. I mean, I just love it. So there we go. I mean, quick and easy painting today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and follow along, because every weekend I create beautiful paintings and I show you how I do it, and you can follow along and you too can create beautiful paintings. Easy as that. So follow along, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and please tell me, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of this painting and of course the one I did yesterday. Tell me what you think, you know, or just say hi, it's also fine. So thank you everyone. You know, I might do a painting tomorrow morning. Sorry, because it's a holiday here tomorrow. I might not, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But either way, I'll see you in the next video. So, thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye.